Hello everybody. Today we're going to see the unboxing of JusChek multi-drug six panel test kit. You can see it's a rapid test kit using the urine samples. You can see it says JusChek multi-drug 6 drugs panel. You can see the manufacturing date and the typical expiry date. It can be stored in the room temperature. This is a 25 test kit pack. Typically it contains 25 cassettes and 25 droppers and package insert. You can see the reference part number is DOA 165. This is a JusChek multi-drug 6 drug panel test kit that is used based on the urine samples. I'll just show you around the box. You can see it's from Acro Biotech. Okay, just unbox this for you. Okay, you can see this. Inside the box, you can see there is one IFE brochure. You can see this here. It says JusChek multi-drug X. These cassettes. Okay, you can see this brochure. IFE brochure. This is a total IFE brochure. That's the complete instruction manual. That is the complete instruction manual that talks about the principles and the test procedures and sample preparations and how do you interpret your results. You have the complete details about the test kit. Okay, there are 25 test cassettes here. You can see this. I'm going to pull out. I'm going to pull out 2 cassettes and keep it here. Let me see. Okay, you can see this. You can see it's multi-drug 6 drugs rapid test cassette urine. You can see the part number. The other side is JusChek. You can see this is how the total test kit looks like. Okay. Just quickly to summarize here, today we've seen the unboxing of JusChek multi-drugs 6 panel drug test kit. You can see this here, the 6 panel drug test kit, 25 test kit pack. And then the box you get one IFE brochure and the 25 test cassettes. This is how the total test kit looks like. Thank you.